Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this is Luandile here from Manikwe School. Today we're going to be doing exercise 1.1 from student C's perspective. That is to say, we're actually doing it. This is actually the third way of doing it. Bear in mind, though, these are not the only ways of doing this problem. As we all know, this tutorial is actually dedicated to doing one problem in many different ways. Actually, in 3 different ways. Okay, so now we're doing exercise 1.1 from student C's perspective. Again, we're still displaying these 3 messages. We'll come to Java, we'll come to computer science, and programming is fun. Okay. Let's create a class, call it exercise 1.1c, and then we add the main method. Okay, let's put what student C has done. Okay, student C has used the fact that \n can work more or less like println. Basically, you can use \n in order to go to the next line. Okay. Here's how it works. System.out.print, and then you just put everything in a single print statement. What you gotta print is welcome to Java. We go \n, which simply means go to the next line, and print welcome to computer science, period, and go \n again. We're going to the next line, and then you print programming is fun. Now let's run this and see what we get. Yeah, we got what we were looking for, computer science. We'll come to Java, we'll come to computer science, and programming is fun. This was the last way of doing exercise 1.1. See you in the next tutorial, you guys, where we're going to be doing exercise 1.2. Cheers, I'm gone.